Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you the May Inspirational kit. I sent off a gorgeous kit as well for Loes, which is called the Designer's Kit, and you have seen that in the previous video. And now I'll show you the Inspirational May kit 1. I will have 3 more, so yeah, cannot wait to share them with you. First off, let me show you the tilde items that I used in this kit, which is the Pardon My Garden paper candy box. So this is the first one from this collection that I used. And I also used this one, which is called the Spring Diaries paper candy box. So these two are included in the beautiful kit. Of course, I put a selection of those in this one and I will share them with you in a moment. So let me first start off by sharing with you these beautiful pieces. I'll put them aside and show you one by one, which is this beautiful hot air balloon, and it has this gorgeous beautiful color that fits perfectly in the collection itself. And this one, which is a very intricate design that has some flowers and yeah, some beautiful layout here. That's that one. And also 2 of these, and these will be perfect as frames, or if you cut them up you will have some individual pieces. So yeah, these are just perfect with your collection, your Mint collection. And the name of this kit is Happy Place, because that's also the name of the Minte paper that I've used for this collection. So you'll see those as soon as we get there. So in this cute bag I have put in the individual pieces of the tilde collection. And this one is Pardon My Garden. So I have like a lot of different styles that will fit with basically all the papers, and just gorgeous. I just love the dimension and the colors. And these two, as well as this one, which is a large sort of doily tag. So all of them have most of them have like holes on the top, except for these two. But they it's able to create tags, of course, with these as well. So that's for this side. Then I'll share the other side, which are gorgeous teacups. Like, let me see if I have it. These teacups. And they come in different prints or designs. These are all original tilde pieces, as well as this one. And I also have 2 beautiful yarn cards, which are these 2. So these 2 yarn cards are also added in this collection, and I cannot wait to see what you will create with this, using, of course, these beautiful items, and yeah, just inspire other crafters as well. So that's for this. Then, as I said, I also include in each kit a beautiful set. This is also a Polish a stamp set, original ones, and they're pretty old. And these are the set that will come included in this kit. Also a beautiful set of enamel dots, and they have just a little bit of a sparkle as you see here. I also try to put in some individual photos of beautiful details of the products that are in this kit as well. So let me share with you this beautiful dimensional flower. You have this part, and also in the back, which is a larger one and has a different style of leaf, but both of them are the blue, beautiful yellows, and I just love this one. This is one of my favorite flowers so far. Then I included in 4 color schemes of this kit a variety pack of laces. Some have doodads as well, and actually they all have some doodads. Flowers, these are all fabric flowers. I also have a pack of paper flowers. So in this kit you will have 1, 2, 3, 4 trims, and they have, like, for example, this one is lace with beautiful silver, and then again this is another sort of trim which you can cut up and use as bling pieces. This is a tassel trim and beautiful resin pieces. So yeah, there's a lot of different items here in this first color scheme. So this is the white bundle. I put her here. Then for the pink bundle, which is this one, and this is such a fun thing. I just love that. Such a cute, super cute elements. A hand crochet piece there, and this one has 1, 2, 3, and then this one 4 different trims as well. And yeah, these are just gorgeous. I just love them. Love this beautiful tassel as well here, made with yarn. So that's so cute. That's for that. And then the green one, and the green one has a hand crochet piece here, some tassels, also a mini tassel there in the background. You'll see it when you open her up, and some different fibers or yarns, baker's twines, I mean, and yeah, just some different fun element trims there for you to use. Then there's the last one, the package, which is green. Oh, sorry, let me share with you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different sort of trims there. And this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different trims here. And this is the bling piece, and then some beautiful flowers there. And yeah, quite a large bundle of this one for you. This is a vintage lace that's tucked underneath there, and yeah, just beautiful elements there for you to create with, to craft with. And this is also a antique piece of yeah, such a beautiful cut apart, actually, yeah, sort of applique, so you can use these as well. Then for the flower kit, I have in all the colors of this beautiful collection, If you see the window, you can see all the colors that are in this collection that will reflect this flower bundle. So yeah, just lots of choices for you. Larger ones, smaller ones, wild orchid craft ones, and also a hand crocheted piece here. So yeah, this will be different in each and every kit, but this is the one that will be in this a May kit. Then I will share with you all the beautiful papers that are in this May Happy Place kit. Let me start off with this one. So they all are double-sided. Oh, I see that I left one in there. Take it out. So these are all double-sided sheets, and yeah, beautiful, fully colored, beautiful images there. I just love this layout as well. And of course, you can totally fussy cut items, add on, put some dimension. My guest designer Patrizia also has made a beautiful project inspired by the embroidery hoop of the paper. So yeah, take a look at her video as well. I'll put the link down below. And yeah, these are just gorgeous. I just love the structures of the print out. And this is the other one. This is the back. And this is the last one. See, it feels pretty thick. So you have some great quality of paper here. So that's for that one. Then I'll open up this and share it with you. These are the 12 by 12 sheets, and yeah, they all have like the cut apart from the smaller size there. You have the larger size that give you a lot of yeah, ideas that themselves how to lay out the beautiful images, and yeah, just beautiful frames in the background here. And a large one. This is probably my favorite so far. This is the back, which has some beautiful frames there. So larger ones, smaller ones. Beautiful layout here. This is the back of that. And then this one, which also has a beautiful layout for the hot air balloon, the basket, the ribbon, the leaves, butterfly. I just love it. Very girlish, very shabby chic. And this is the back of that one with beautiful scribbles. And last but not least, the beautiful chipboard stickers. These have quotes here on the bottom as well as here in the middle, and some of them have like quotes on the labels. Some beautiful, yeah, just beautiful fishtail items. Yeah, just a beautiful combination of chipboard pieces, stickers that will yeah, really complete your kit. So that's for that one. So I cannot wait to see what Loes will create with her kit as well. And yeah, please let me know what you think about this kit. If you're interested, you can contact me by sending me a private message, or yeah, through Messenger, through Instagram, through Facebook, whatever platform you're using, or here on YouTube. Just tell me that you're interested, and I will contact you as soon as possible. So yeah, again, I hope you enjoyed watching the video and seeing the beautiful elements that are in this kit. And remember, this is kit number 1, and I'll put the description, everything in description box down below, and also in the title. So have a nice day and enjoy your craft time. Bye bye.